can, or can't is used for ability, permission, and possibility. I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself. Can you watch the house for me while I'm gone? Can you watch the house for me while I'm gone? Can you believe the luck? Can you believe the luck? You can spend it with a free conscience. You can spend it with a free conscience. I can handle it. I can handle it. You can learn many things from books. You can learn many things from books. How can I explain that? How can I explain that? If you can find a way to fix it, do it. If you can find a way to fix it, do it. I can go to the concert. I can go to the concert. I can cook really delicious food. I can cook really delicious food. I can't run that fast. I can't run that fast. I can't be here tomorrow. I can't be here tomorrow. I'm sorry, but I can't pick up the kids. I'm sorry, but I can't pick up the kids. You can't play more video games. You can't play more video games. Why you can't leave? Why you can't leave? He can't use the computer. He can't use the computer. Must, mustn't is used for strong obligation, logical conclusion, prohibition. You must wash your hands before lunch. You must wash your hands before lunch. I must memorize all of these rules. I must memorize all of these rules. You must wear a seatbelt at all times. You must wear a seatbelt at all times. You must complete this essay. You must complete this essay. You mustn't use your smartphone while you are driving. You mustn't use your smartphone while you are driving. You mustn't get on the subway. You mustn't get on the subway. People must remain seated until the show is over. People must remain seated until the show is over. You mustn't tell anyone. You mustn't tell anyone. You must give up smoking. You must give up smoking. You must study the last 3 chapters. You must study the last 3 chapters. Plants must have light and water to grow. Plants must have light and water to grow. It must be really cold outside. It must be really cold outside. You mustn't be late for class. You mustn't be late for class. You mustn't shut in the library. You mustn't shut in the library. I mustn't make a mess. I mustn't make a mess. There mustn't be any rubbish left. There mustn't be any rubbish left. Must you make that noise? Must you make that noise? That must be amazing. That must be amazing. May is used for permission, possibility, probably. Do you think they may have given up? Do you think they may have given up? They may be too busy running. They may be too busy running. You may follow me. You may follow me. May I wait here until then? May I wait here until then? May I read the book called the Bible? May I read the book called the Bible? You may believe the story that you like best. You may believe the story that you like best. May I use your toilet? May I use your toilet? We may need some help. We may need some help. May I start eating now? May I start eating now? We may have one advantage. We may have one advantage. May I speak to Julia, please? May I speak to Julia, please? There may be other reasons that we don't know. There may be other reasons that we don't know. May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? May you have a long and fruitful marriage. May you have a long and fruitful marriage. You may bring a partner to our events. You may bring a partner to our event. I may take you to work if you want. I may take you to work if you want. I may not have an action against him. I may not have an action against him. Might is used for polite permission, possibility, probably. It might have done damage inside. It might have done damage inside. This might be the most difficult decision. This might be the most difficult decision. Show me where you might eat. Show me where you might eat. Talking about it might help her. Talking about it might help her. Might it be better? Might it be better? They might know who caused the accident. They might know who caused the accident. You might understand someday. You might understand someday. I might not sleep well tonight. I might not sleep well tonight. She might sell her house. She might sell her house. Might this be the key? Might this be the key? They might not like very hot food. They might not like very hot food. You might have told me you weren't coming. You might have told me you weren't coming. Should is used for advice, logical conclusion. It should be ready now. It should be ready now. I should have been checking it. I should have been checking it. You should have seen Dad's face. You should have seen Dad's face. Why should I envy them? Why should I envy them? Maybe we should go home. Maybe we should go home. What should the company do? What should the company do? We shouldn't begrudge her success. We shouldn't begrudge her success. You shouldn't smoke so much. You shouldn't smoke so much. How should I know? How should I know? Where should we go? Where should we go? I should spend more time with my friends. I should spend more time with my friends. You shouldn't waste your money. You shouldn't waste your money. Had better is used for advice. You had better presume no such things. You had better presume no such things. You had better not touch those files. You had better not touch those files. You had better eat more fruit and vegetables. You had better eat more fruit and vegetables. You had better go and speak to him in person. You had better go and speak to him in person. We had better to be inside in such bad weather. We had better to be inside in such bad weather. We had better call in a specialist at this critical moment. We had better call in a specialist at this critical moment. You had better ask the students themselves. You had better ask the students themselves. I had better keep out of this. I had better keep out of this. I wish I had better one, but I don't. I wish I had better one, but I don't. Perhaps I had better say a few words first. Perhaps I had better say a few words first. I'd better not leave my bag there. I'd better not leave my bag there.